Hey guys, so what we got here is a 52-inch Litex diamond crystal ceiling fan that I got off Facebook Marketplace in the same sale with the two Canarm P36, which are right there. And I also got this SMC ceiling fan with it. This fan has a lighted housing. It's the first fan in my collection with a lighted housing. So, yeah. Anyways, without any further ado, we'll get started with the fan. Here's the light. Yeah, the light kit. It's using 3 compact fluorescent bulbs and an LED bulb. And then we have the light housing, which is using incandescent bulbs. And then we have both the light kit and the light housing on at the same time. So, yeah. Anyways, we'll begin with the fan now. So, here it is on low. The fan does hum. Don't know if that's bearing noise or if that's just the way it is. It hums. If a fan hums, normally it would mean it's on a solid state control, but this is not on a solid state control. So, yeah. Don't know if you can hear the humming on camera. Don't know if the camera microphone's picking it up. But, yeah. All right, let's go to medium. Oh dear. I have to move that bag out of the way. I'm starting to hit it. But yeah, I can already feel some air from this. Moves a good amount of air on medium. Okay. Oh, here's high. On high, it wobbles. Don't know if you can see on camera, but yeah, it's wobbling. All right, well, here's the light kit on with the fan running at the same time. And then here's the light housing with the fan on at the same time. Then here's the light kit and light housing with the fan on at the same time. All right, we'll do spin down. The reason I'm floor testing this fan is because this fan nor the SMC didn't come with a mounting bracket. I don't have a mounting bracket that will work for them both, so I'm just floor testing this. I'll be also floor testing the SMC as well. All right, that's spin down. Okay. Just make sure that's back. Anyways, put it on reverse. And I'll start it straight to high. Switch housing just twisted there when I was turning it on. So here's high reverse. It is blowing some stuff in here. Okay. Here's medium. And here's low. And off. All right, well, that's it for the Litex diamond crystal ceiling fan. So next I'll be testing this SMC ceiling fan, so stay tuned for that. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.